Okay guys, how to make your computer faster like I did. Come down to Start. Go up to PC Settings. Go up to System. On System, come down to About. On this side of the screen, go over to Advanced System Settings. Back on this side, come up to Advanced. Click on Advanced and bring up this page. Go to Memory Usage and Virtual Memory Settings. Click. Come up here to Advanced. Open Advanced. Come down here to Change and click this box up here. Check that box so all your drives are controlled by the computer. Forget custom size, forget all that. It was a furphy. Click on OK. The computer says restart, you go OK. Come back here and go to Apply. Go OK. Go OK. And you restart now or later. That's how you make a computer faster. I worked on my desktop and 3 laptops. Thanks very much for watching.